Welcome to West Palm Beach Injury Clinic. We are your local West Palm Beach chiropractors. Our doctors offer 3 categories of safe, effective therapies to relieve your low back pain. Therapies that will help you work, sleep, and get dressed without low back pain or restrictions. Low back pain commonly results from trauma such as a car injury, sport injury, or repetitive lifting. The trauma most often results in jamming of the spinal joints, pinched spinal nerves, or even a disc bulge. The most common symptoms being low back pain, muscle spasms, and restricted motion. If you have a pinched nerve, you may also experience burning or tingling down your legs. On your first visit, you can expect our doctors will find the cause of your low back pain. Then apply the appropriate therapies to relieve your low back pain as fast as possible. The first category of low back therapies are applied to relieve your low back pain and inflammation. We offer chiropractic physical medicine to gently align the spine, whereby relieving spinal joint pressure, pinched nerves, and disc bulges. Our chiropractic physical medicine treatment commonly gives immediate pain relief on the very first treatment. Next is our microcurrent therapy, which blocks your low back pain by activating nerve receptors in your brain. These are the same nerve receptors that are targeted by strong pain-relieving drugs, but without the harmful side effects. Another therapy we offer relieves your low back pain by reducing your inflammation. By reducing your inflammation, we can reduce inflammatory proteins called cytokines, which cause pain. Yet another therapy we offer relieves your low back pain by stimulating your nerve cell oxygen metabolism. Stimulating oxygen metabolism accelerates healing and boosts your endorphins, which are the real feel-good chemicals your body naturally produces. As you can see, we offer multiple forms of therapies to quickly relieve your low back pain. Our second category of low back therapies are applied to reduce painful muscle spasms. Our manual therapy relieves the muscle pain in your low back by working through your nervous system. The manual muscle therapy stimulates the nerve receptors in your low back muscles and acts as a spinal block to relieve pain. We also offer a nerve reflex therapy called reciprocal inhibition to relieve your low back muscle pain and spasms. Reciprocal inhibition therapy relieves muscle spasm by blocking the nerve signal that is stimulating your low back muscle spasms. Another therapy we offer to relieve your low back muscle pain is trigger point therapy. Trigger points are highly sensitive and tender knots within the belly of muscles. We gently stretch and compress the trigger points, which relieves the highly sensitive nodules. So again, you can see we offer many forms of therapies to relieve your low back muscle spasms. The third category of therapies we offer is applied to increase your low back strength and mobility. We offer chiropractic physical medicine to gently increase your low back joint mobility. By increasing your joint mobility, we will increase your ability to move pain-free. After the pain is reduced, we use active therapies to increase the strength in your low back. Strengthening the low back will decrease the likelihood of you suffering permanent and recurring low back pain. All of our low back therapies are safe and have been cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Each therapy is applied based on the results of your history, symptoms, and physical examination findings. We understand how low back pain can restrict your ability to work, sleep, or even get dressed in the morning. The bad news is, when physical injuries do not receive physical medicine, they often heal wrong. The leading cause of spinal arthritis is when injuries do not receive physical medicine and heal wrong. Chiropractic physical medicine can relieve your pain and decrease the likelihood of you suffering a permanent injury and recurring low back pain. Even the American Medical Association released new guidelines that encourages chiropractic before surgery. You do not need a referral from a medical provider or insurance company to be treated in our office by our doctors. And you can feel safe and comfortable with our doctors who are licensed by the state and federal government for the treatment of low back pain. In addition, we do accept and bill all forms of insurance. Give us a call and our friendly staff will verify your insurance benefits over the phone right now. If you are suffering with low back pain, we can offer you fast, affordable, effective relief with our $47 new patient special. Our 47 new patient special is safe and an easy way for you to experience our therapies can quickly relieve your low back pain. The $47 new patient special includes 7 parts. Part 1, a private consultation with one of our doctors. Part 2, a range of motion exam to find out which low back joints are restricted. Part 3, a nerve test to determine exactly which nerves are causing your low back pain. Part 4, muscle testing to find any tight or painful low back muscles. Part 5, orthopedic test to determine which spinal joints may be contributing to your low back pain. Part 6, 1 chiropractic treatment as appropriate to immediately give you some low back pain relief. Part 7, a natural pain relieving gel. The normal cost for the 7-part new patient special is $350. When you pick up the phone and call our office today, the 7-part new patient special is only $47. The reason we offer a $47 new patient special is to make it easy for you to feel how our therapies can relieve your low back pain. The $47 new patient special comes with a 2-part guarantee. Part 1, if you are not 100% satisfied with our services within 72 hours of your first visit, you will receive a complete refund. Part 2, no waiting. You will see one of our doctors within 7 minutes of your scheduled appointment. The $47 new patient special is limited to the first 10 new patients that call in any month due to space restrictions. We look forward to meeting you and relieving your low back pain so you can get on with your active life. Take the next step for low back pain relief and call West Palm Beach Injury Clinic. Call 561-847-4908.